Yeah, this is skinny tire, fat wheel time. If you take a look at the gap there, I can't even get my fist in there sideways whatsoever. And we got an 8-inch wheel that I can barely touch pinky to thumb on. Mounting it is not a big deal. Airing it up is where we run into issues. I'm going to mount it up here, and we'll show you just what the issues we got and how to solve them. And as you can see, there's a lot of gap here, and actually, you can see the whole valve stem thing there, so that's just going to latch up on me as I try to air it out. So, this is an ancient technique that was taught to me by my father decades ago when we dealt with old Jeeps. It's called starting fluid. And I got my torch ready. So, what I'll do is get this guy ready. I want to be able to get the air in right away. And we're going to prime it now. Okay, you ready for this? Come on. Whee! And that's how you air it up. That was scary, wasn't it? It stinks. Well, that's enough for today. If you want more hillbilly air ups in the future, let me know. Thanks much.